Greetings, dear students. Welcome to JLN's online classes. Dear students, today we are going to study 15th lesson of grammar, the name of which is the conjunction. Dear students, conjunctions are also known as linkers or connectors because these words connect two words, to clauses, or to sentences. That's why they are known as connectors. So, let us start the lesson. First of all, let us study its definition. ए कंजंक्शन इज ए वर्ड. एक कंजंक्शन वो शब्द होता है दैट ज्वाइंस टू वर्ड्स, जो दो शब्दों को जोड़ता है. ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स, शब्दों के समूह को जोड़ता है. और टू सेंटेंसेस, या दो सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ता है. देर आर सम ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स लाइक कुणाल एंड रमन लिव इन द सेम विलेज. And is conjunction. Sheetal is tall, but Rajni is short. But is conjunction. He must work hard or he will not pass. Or word is a conjunction. Dear students, these differently inked words are actually conjunctions because they connect either two words or to group of words or at least two sentences. Because they connect them, so they are also known as connectors. Okay, dear students, let us study now the types of conjunction. Conjunctions can be divided into following three classes. कंजंक्शंस को तीन अलग अलग वर्गों में हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट वन, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस. सेकंड, सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस. एंड थर्ड, कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शंस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस. ए कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन ज्वाइंस टू सेंटेंसेस ऑफ इक्वल क्लास, रैंक और ऑर्डर. एक कोऑर्डिनेट कंजंक्शन दो ऐसे सेंटेंसेस को जोड़ता है जो एक जैसे हों, लाइक एंड, बट, और, सो, देयरफॉर, एज, नोर, बोथ. ऑल दीज आर सम ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ कॉमन कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस मेक ए कोऑर्डिनेट क्लास. That's why they are known as coordinating conjunctions. For example, the sun set and the children stopped playing. Here, the word and makes a coordinate clause, so it becomes the coordinating conjunction. Ankur has passed, but his sister has failed. Here, word but is a coordinating conjunction. The second one is subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions are the conjunctions which join a class with another class upon which it depends. Means to say, एक सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शन वो होता है जो ऐसी दो क्लासेस को जोड़े जिनमें से एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंड हो. मीन्स टू से, ऐसी दो क्लासेस जिनमें से एक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लास बने, तो इसलिए उनको सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस कहा जाता है. देर आर सम ऑफ एग्जाम्पल्स लाइक दैट, इफ, बिकॉज, वेदर, अनलेस, एल्दो, एट्सेट्रा. दीज आर some common examples of subordinating conjunctions. Dear students, some examples have been given. I like her because she is sincere. Word because becomes the connector which joins two different clauses like I like her and she is sincere. And the rest part of this sentence beginning from because and ending with sincere, it becomes a subordinating clause. That's why word because becomes subordinating connector. In the same way, other words are also forming subordinating clauses. That's why they are known as subordinating conjunctions. Like I know where he lives. The word where, it forms subordinate clause where he lives. It depends on the clause I know. I know is the main clause and where he lives, it becomes the subordinating clause. So the word where becomes subordinating connector. Okay, dear students. Now there are some correlative conjunctions. Dear students, correlative conjunctions are always used in pairs. Correlative conjunctions हमेशा जोड़े के रूप में होते हैं. That's very simple. Like not only and but also, neither and nor, either and or, whether and or, though and yet, both and. These are the pairs. So dear students, the connectors which are found in pairs are known as correlative conjunctions. For example, the box is not only heavy but also cumbersome. We were neither satisfied nor happy with the result. I do not know whether he is at home or in the school. My friend is both rich and influential. Dear students, you are to read the lesson once again and try to solve its exercise. Till then, remain at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.